Hello and welcome. If you are a user of Perplexity and you use an iOS application, Perplexity now has a voice assistant, and you can use it in order to control certain aspects of your iOS device if you have the Perplexity application installed. We have the Perplexity application installed, and so in a recent update it was stated that voice control is now available. We are now going to click Got it. Great. With the voice assistant in the Perplexity app on iOS, you can control various aspects of your device. You can ask questions, get information, and even perform actions like sending emails, playing music, and more. Just let me know what you need help with, and I'll take care of it. Open a YouTube video on the subject of Perplexity. So as you can see, you can use Perplexity's voice application in order to control certain aspects of your iOS device. In some cases, it may do the same things as your existing assistant on iOS, which is Siri. However, there will be updates and you can use Perplexity to your advantage. We're now going to ask for another task. Open the Gemini application. Unable to open specific application on your device. You might want to try finding the Gemini on your home screen or using the search function to open it, if there's anything else I can assist you with. So as you can see, there are limits to what Perplexity can do. It's a good idea to get an idea of all of the things that you can ask Perplexity to do in its help application. Keep track of all the things that you have asked Perplexity to do in your library by clicking the link on the bottom right-hand side. Okay, it's with that thanks, and I will see you in another video.